Define time vector t. Use a for loop of length t. Note that I is the counter and also serves as the index. For the first iteration, I equals 1. The condition t of I is greater than or equal to 0 and t of I is less than or equal to 10 is satisfied because t of 1 equals 0. Calculate the function under the satisfied conditional statements. F of 1 equals negative 100. This ends the conditional structure. Return to the beginning of the loop. The loop will continue in this fashion, updating the counters and variables, while evaluating the conditional statements. Next is the final iteration. For this iteration I equals 501 and t of 501 equals 50. The condition t of I is greater than or equal to 20 is satisfied because t of 501 equals 50. Calculate the function under this conditional statement. F of 501 equals negative 1700. This is the end of the conditional statements. This is the end of the loop. The final vector f is shown below the time vector. Plot time versus f of t. Creating the same vectors using vector notation instead of a for loop is shown next. Define t1 for the given range of time. Calculate f1 using vector t1. Note the use of the periods before the operators. Define t2 for the given range of time. Create a vector f2 which is the same size as t2 and is filled with a 20 for each element. Define t3 for the given range of time. Calculate f3 using vector t3. Plot t1 versus f1, t2 versus f2, and t3 versus f3 as multiple sections. Create t and f as single vectors using the individual vectors t1, t2, t3 and f1, f2, f3. Plot t versus f as a single plot. Thank you for using MATLAB Marina for your programming needs.